This has got to be one of the best content strategies that I've ever seen executed and pulled off in a very short period of time. This guy here, Nate B. Jones, I recently stumbled on when I was looking through my own analytics and wondering like, who is this guy and why is everybody that watches me also watching him? I went through a couple of his videos because I was just curious what he was talking about. And I realized that this guy is using an AI tool that makes his eyes look right at the camera. But in reality, he's just reading a script the whole time. Check this out, okay? It's only visible if you zoom way in, pay very close attention, and go either really, really fast or really, really slow. But what you quickly realize if you go really, really slow, aside from just the unnatural dullness in one eye versus the other, is if you compare it back to like his content from forever ago, you'll notice like he's looking all over the place and his eyes are also significantly sharper, despite the fact that it was like 6 years ago, or a year ago, and cameras have gotten, or his camera supposedly will have gotten better and stuff. Yeah, man, he's using AI. His eye color is literally different. Look at that. And so basically what he's doing is he's creating scripts, right? Really long form scripts. And then he's just reading them, but he's reading them like this. And then he has the AI change his eyes so that it looks like he's like this. And then he like moves around and stuff like that. So you think he's really eloquent. It is masterfully done, if I do say so myself. And I would not be surprised if like a big chunk of the internet, specifically like talking head podcast style stuff, is honestly this right now. So in case you guys were ever wondering what this was, it's AI that makes your eyes look at the camera. It was a study that was done quite a while ago. There's a bunch of different ones here. Veed now offers it. Descript offers it. A couple of other, platforms offer it. But basically, it moves your eyes and basically gets your pupil or whatever, and then pushes it so that it's directly in the middle of your face. It changes things just a bit. Like if you look here, I don't know, this guy's eyes they're just like a little bit blurry or whatever, right? And there's a little bit of that weird sort of background there. So you do need to be careful. If you're smart, like this guy, you'll wear glasses. And by doing that, people will just chalk up any visual aberrations to the glasses as opposed to like your model. And then, yeah, you can literally just like force eye contact while actually reading from a script. I mean, like, do I think this is the right thing to do? Oh man, it's tough for me to say. I see people out here generating full like AI avatars, right? So I don't know, but I mean, kudos to him for like obviously pulling off a crazy strategy. In case you guys didn't know, one of the benefits to doing this sort of thing in content is like it's actually pretty difficult to yap for really long sessions without losing track of what it is that you want us to talk about. The alternative is you repeat the content over and over and over again until you get good enough at saying it, but that obviously consumes a lot of time. Or use a script, and in order to read from a script, you have to use a teleprompter, which puts it basically immediately above the camera. And that can lead to you just looking really unnatural and your eyes flickering and a bunch of other issues. This solves basically all that because now you can just pump out a script every day. The average person reads at about 200 words per minute. So what you can do, speaks at 150 to 200 words per minute. So what you could do is you could write a 3,000 word script and then just read it at about 150 to 200 words a minute, and boom, there's 15 to 20 minutes of content. You could have AI do all of that for you right now, because keep in mind, AI is okay at like writing this sort of stuff. And then if you're a good like articulator, you could read it and then you could make it seem like it's actually you and your ideas and your off the cuff thinking, when in reality it's the models. So how brilliant is that? Like, I mean, kudos to this guy for doing that. I was just like wondering about that, man, because like his eye color is changing and everything, right? Let me just move it here so it's a little clearer. Check that out. Anyway, wild stuff. I think I'm going to make the thumbnail for this video just a picture of him to start some controversy, but also because, much respect to that strategy. I wonder if these glasses that he got, like the much thicker ones, were part of that. If he thought about this and was just like, I'm going to make these glasses thicker because... Or I don't know, I'm going to like wear different thicker looking glasses to like pull the detail away from my eyes. I honestly have no idea, but it's masterfully done. Okay, anyway, if you didn't know, I also answer questions on this channel. And so in addition to doing some takes, I think I'll just hit up one of your guys' questions really quickly. So I'm just going to head back to the community tab. And then, I don't know, let's find something that has at least more than one upvote. Okay, great. Nick, welcome back. Since YouTube's your main acquisition channel, which are the videos that bring you 90% of customers from Maker School? Keep killing it, dude. It's almost entirely my long form course videos about AI and automation specifically. So, I mean, I don't know. Let me just go and find one of these, but it's almost always just like my crazy long form ones. So this N8N full course one, what I learned instead of automation in 2026, watch me start and sell a service in 10 hours, 5 boring AI automations, and then build your first AI business in 6 hours, that one. Okay. Anyway, hopefully that was fun, but damn, man, pay attention to people's eyes from here on out, because you never know.